Home maintenance tips. Clean and replace air filters regularly. Check for and fix water leaks promptly. Clean gutters and downspouts to ensure proper drainage. Test smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. Clean dryer vents to prevent fire hazards. Trim trees and shrubs near your home.
Wow!
Check and seal windows and doors for drafts. Schedule annual hook system maintenance.
Nice.
Clean and maintain appliances according to the manufacturer's instructions. Inspect and address any roof damage. Test and reset DFCI outlets periodically. Clean and maintain outdoor spaces and furniture. Remember, regular maintenance helps keep your home in good condition and prevents costly repairs. Like and follow us for more, or visit our website www.ohanalux.com.